Okay, okay. Ready? Go, sir. Go.
Sarah's 21st birthday.
It is now midnight, and it is Old Bird, and we're going in and...
Sarah's 21st birthday.
It is now midnight, and it is Old Bird, and we're going to buy whatever. What do I do? What do I... Dirty, look at Hi Sexy Hot 21st little mama. Oh, $5.99.
Whatever you want, baby.
Pick something. Yes. Damn, girl. You look sexy. Hey, you have to share that with them. We're gonna email this to your dad.
Sure, you can see your ID.
She's so excited. This is so cute. Can I see you check that, please? Check that, please, sir. Perfect. Just, oh, yay! Your daddy's gonna kill me. She's out of her. All right, legal. Get the receipt. Put it up. Yay!